Hi everyone, in this video I am explaining about what is meant by significant figures and how can we find the number of significant figures in a measured value. Here significant figures are meaningful digits which are with known certainty plus one digit which is uncertain. What is meant by certainty and uncertainty? Here, if a person can measure the mass of a substance with a chemical balance, he can obtain different measured values like 1.932, 1.934, 1.935. Here the last digit is changing. This digit is uncertain digit and the remaining digits are not changing. These are certain digits. Here the significant figures are meaningful digits which are with known certainty plus one digit which is uncertain. So the total number of significant figures in this measured value are 1, 2, 3 plus 1. Total 4 significant figures. There are some rules to find the number of significant figures in a measured value. The first rule is all non-zero digits are significant. Irrespective of the decimal where it is, these are all significant. Total number of significant figures are 1, 2, 3. And next, 0 in between two non-zero digits is significant. So, number of significant figures here are 1, 2, 3. And next rule is zeros left to non-zero digit are not significant. Here these zeros are not significant. So the number of significant figures here are 1, 2. And the next rule is zeros right to decimal are significant. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are significant figures. And the next rule is terminal zeros may or may not significant, because we can write this number in different ways. 1.14 into 10 to the power of 4, 1.140 into 10 to the power of 4, 1.1400 into 10 to the power of 4. In all these ways the value does not change, but the number of significant figures will be changed. We cannot consider the exponential form here. In this first number, significant figures are 1, 2, 3. And in this number, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 which is present right side of decimal is significant. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. In this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures are there. And next rule is the exact number or countable objects have infinite significant figures. That means 20 eggs, 3 rupees, these are countable. Here in these exact numbers there is no uncertainty. So significant figures are infinite. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.